If you've ever gone outside to check on your sprinkler and found that it's moved itself 3 feet from where you set it and spent the last 20 minutes watering a patch of dirt instead of the lawn you were trying to water, this review is going to feel very familiar. Sprinklers that tip, shift, and migrate are a specific kind of yard care frustration, and I was done with it. I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons the RESTMO Gear Drive Sprinkler earned its spot in my yard watering routine, and I'm saving the best one for last. Number 3. 5 adjustable spray patterns for every situation in the yard. In this case, I really needed it to water this new grass that I put over on this side of the yard. 5 adjustable patterns means full circle coverage for open lawn areas, or partial arc patterns for areas near fences or structures where you don't want to water the neighbor's yard or your own foundation, and everything in between. Match the pattern to the space and the water goes where it's supposed to instead of where it's not. Number 2. The gear-driven mechanism delivers consistent rotation. Gear drive sprinklers rotate more consistently and reliably than impulse sprinklers that can stick, shudder, or stop rotating mid-cycle when the water pressure is not perfect. The gear mechanism keeps the rotation steady through the pressure fluctuations, so the coverage pattern stays even across the full arc rather than leaving dry spots. And the number 1, this is the one I saved because it's the feature that solved the specific frustration that made me go looking for it in the first place. The metal spike base stays in the ground. It sounds like a basic requirement for a sprinkler, and yet here we are. The metal spike anchors into the soil and holds the sprinkler in position while the water pressure and rotation work. It does not tip. It doesn't migrate. If you found this video helpful, follow my shop for more hands-on demos and reviews of all my home, yard, dog, and camping favorites. Thanks for watching.